Okay. Good afternoon, students.
Good afternoon, teachers.
Okay, this afternoon, nganong nagkapundok ta? Kay? Birthday ni? Okay. Before we will have our snacks, we will have to greet happy birthday to Janice, and we will sing a song, a happy birthday song to her, okay? 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday!
Janice.
How old are you?
12.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Uy, sunod na tuig ang 13. Okay. Before, we will have to say thank you to Janice, mother, parents of Janice, because they prepared a snack to us here, our students. Okay? What will we say?
Thank you, Janice.
Happy birthday and thank you, Janice.
Happy birthday and thank you, Janice.
Okay. Please distribute. Okay. Get one and pass out. Pwede na gawin mo ulit eh. Kuan diri eh. Di ba? Ay, mag-game sa mo diri. Kanahan mo? Adi na? Depende lang sa inyo. Busy mo na mo assignment.
Assignment, mirror. Basa.
Ayaw sa, diha sa, ayaw sa pag-uli. Kaya mag-picture pa.
Uy, ka-Gretchen!
Birthday, Janice! Isa pa. Ana?
Ay, sa what?
Sige. Last kay, mo balik tao. Okay. Nya, picture da yun. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday, Janice!
Say to bye.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay. Picture na picture.